Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to update the firmware of your i500 series drive. Before we begin, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate software and firmware installed onto your computer. If not, you can navigate to the Lenze.com official webpage, go to the Download tab, Software Downloads, and click on and install Easy Starter program. Once you've installed Easy Starter, you want to make sure you know where your firmware and device description folder is located. I usually drag them onto the desktop or the document folder where I can usually find them easily. Next step that you want to do is go to Package Manager and you want to import these files into the Package Manager. To do so, click Import, go to where you have placed the folder. I just have to click on the desktop here because I placed them at my desktop. Make sure you have the Include subfolder selected. Click OK. And if you have any new firmware and device description, the Easy Package Manager would find them and it would show up here. Click Install. Once your selected packages have successfully been installed, you can close out of the Easy Package Manager. This is the point where you want to connect the USB module to the i500 drive and then connect the USB cable to your computer. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and open up the Easy Starter Firmware Loader program. When the software is open and ready to go, you want to navigate to the product series that you're going to be updating. In this case, I'm updating the i500 series, meaning that you can either select the i510 or the i550 drive. You also want to make sure that you're selecting the proper version of the drive that you have. So you can either have CAN Communication Standard I/O, Ethernet IP Communication Standard I/O, or many others. Today, I'm going to be updating the i550 No Bus or No Communication Application I/O. You want to select the firmware that you've imported via the Package Manager and then click Next. If your USB module is properly connected to your computer, you will see that the status is popped up as ready. Click Next. On this page, you will see the current status of your control unit. So you can see the firmware version that you currently have, your type code, and even your device name. In the information section right here, you will see the firmware that you're going to be updating into your i550 drive. Click Next. This page will show you the progress of the updating status. On the drive side, if you look at your USB module, you will see flashing green and yellow lights. That means that the firmware is being uploaded onto your control unit. Once your status is 100%, you will see that the download is successful. At this point in time, you can click Finish to exit out of the Easy Starter Firmware Loader. And your i500 drive should now be updated to the firmware you've selected. Thank you for watching.